When it comes to investing in development projects, especially in a market as competitive as real estate, knowing the right opportunities and key features of each company can be the difference between success and disappointment. So, if you're thinking about getting into Source Prestige development, here are 7 essential things you need to know before you buy. Stick around, because I'll be diving into why this company stands out, how it compares to others in the industry, and why you shouldn't miss out on this opportunity. First, let's talk about the reputation. Source Prestige Development has built its name in the industry by delivering high-quality, reliable projects. Whether you're looking at residential or commercial development, they have a solid track record of successful developments. What sets them apart from competitors is their commitment to delivering not just on-time results, but also exceeding expectations with design, functionality, and sustainability in mind. Next thing to keep in mind is their approach to transparency. Unlike many companies that keep details close to the chest, Source Prestige Development provides full access to their project timelines, budgets, and even detailed specs for each project. This transparency is a breath of fresh air compared to others in the market who may hide behind vague promises. This level of honesty is crucial, especially when investing significant capital. The third thing you'll want to consider is the financing options available. With Source Prestige Development, they offer flexible and investor-friendly terms, which is a rarity in the development world. A lot of companies will push you into rigid financing models that don't fit your personal needs, but Source Prestige has options that cater to both first-time investors and seasoned developers alike. Next thing, the customer service. One area where Source Prestige truly shines is its customer service. From the first consultation to project completion, their team is accessible, responsive, and proactive in keeping you informed. Unlike competitors that might leave you in the dark until the last minute, Source Prestige Development makes sure you have the information you need throughout the process. Now let's talk about project scale and variety. Source Prestige doesn't limit itself to just one type of development project. Whether you're looking to invest in smaller residential builds or large-scale commercial complexes, Source Prestige has the flexibility to handle both. Many companies focus on one niche, which limits your options, but this versatility means you can diversify your portfolio under one trusted brand. The sixth thing you should know is their attention to detail in design and planning. Source Prestige Development doesn't just build for the sake of building, they aim for innovation, aesthetic appeal, and functionality. They focus on creating spaces that not only look great, but work seamlessly for their intended purpose. When you compare this to some competitors who prioritize speed over quality, Source Prestige's dedication to thoughtful design is a major selling point. Finally, and most importantly, let's talk about long-term value. One of the things that sets Source Prestige Development apart from its competition is its focus on creating developments that appreciate in value over time. They don't just build for the present, they plan for the future, ensuring that the properties they develop continue to be sought after and maintain their value long after completion. In a market where some developments quickly lose value, this is a huge advantage. If you're considering Source Prestige Development for your next investment or development project, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best offer and exclusive access to a free trial of their services. That's right, you can get started with Source Prestige Development at no cost, giving you a great way to test the waters and see firsthand how their process works. To recap, from their reputation for reliability and transparency to their flexible financing options and dedication to quality, Source Prestige Development is a standout choice. With the link below, you can take advantage of their best offer and try out the service for free, and you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss out. Click the link and see what makes Source Prestige Development a game changer in the development world.